What is Chat GPT by OpenAI? Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. Well, why not simply ask that to Chat GPT itself? So I have this question over here, what is Chat GPT? And once I ask this question, Chat GPT will answer my question. So in this case, it is going to answer what is Chat GPT in detail. Well, this is a bit specific and a bit detailed, and a lot of people probably don't understand this, but the basic idea is you can ask any question to Chat GPT. You can, for example, ask this. You can, for example, write a blog. You can, for example, write an article. You can, for example, write an essay. You can basically ask any questions, and a conversation will start on the left over here. You can switch between these different conversations and chats, and you can simply keep on asking in the same chat. So now I have asked, what is ChatGPT? Now I can, for example, ask, what can I do with ChatGPT? And then it will also keep the conversation going, because now it knows what exactly I am talking about, and it will give the most detailed answers possible. So if you want to know more and more detailed stuff about a different subject that you have asked, then you should keep the same conversation going right over here. So like I said, it basically answers every question you ask. There are some limitations and capabilities over here which you can read. For example, it says train to decline inappropriate requests. So yeah, that is basically it.